morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. I am Damage. Welcome to the Den, and we have reached the last stream of the Golden Girls series that I've been working on. How is everybody doing this evening? All right. So, as a little recap of what we have done so far, and I'm wearing the most appropriate shirt, by the way, with my coffee. All right, so with all the series, with the entire series that I've done so far, we've worked on Betty White. She was number one. She was the first one to go. Then we got Rue McClanahan, Blanche, B. Arthur, Dorothy Zbornak, and Estelle Getty, Sophia Petrillo. So we are going to do the mounting of these four ladies onto canvas. The plan is to paint a canvas black. I have this this stuff called high density Evafoam, I think, and that'll go on the backs of all of these, just to give them a little bit of elevation off of the canvas, and that'll just kind of give it a little more definition, some depth, if you will. All right, I'll be painting the canvas with folk art paint, pure black. I will be gluing the strips with just an Elmer's rubber cement. This is the stuff that I am using here. My little cup for my paint. I got two brushes here, just big brushes so we can get through it quickly. My cup of water, and of course I have my canvas. So the first thing that I want to go ahead and do is that I want to go ahead and lay everything out the right direction that they're supposed to be in. So this is the direction everything is supposed to be in, correct? Yep, yes. So what I'm going to do... Oh, actually, she's supposed to be this way. So there you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and flip everything over. We are going to put all of these strips on the backs of these. So we'll do this first, so this will have time to dry, and then we'll paint the canvas. Okay, get those drying under weight, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna close this guy. I have these coasters. These coasters are actually gonna serve as a lift for my canvas to keep it elevated up. So whenever I paint around the edges, it'll be off of the surface that I'm painting. All right. Yeah, so I have this raggedy towel that I use for pretty much all my crafts. It's like my paint towel, my wax towel, all that stuff. Alrighty. I personally am a fan of this paint, of the Folk Art brand. I like this brand. Although, there we go. Okay. Start off with that for now. Oh yeah, this goes on so nicely. And I don't want to go too thick with it because I don't want it to take forever to dry. So there right above me, that is what the final project should look like. Come on. Come on. Oh, you come here, you sweet pea. Geneva wants to say hi. She came right around to come say hi to y'all. She's just chilling. She's hanging out by my feet. She always hangs out with me whenever I'm doing art. She's always here. I know, baby girl. Thank you. Thank you. I know. And I think Shiner wants to say hi too. Shiner. Come on, Baba. Hello. Oh my goodness. Geneva's panicking. She's like, oh God. Go ahead. All right. Are y'all good? Are y'all happy? Are you happy? Yes. Okay, go ahead. This shouldn't take too long to dry. Honestly, I can probably start laying these down. Yeah, I'm gonna start laying these down. Move this mic out of the way a little bit. Because I think with the wet paint and the rubber cement, having them dry together is really gonna seal this adhesive. So this should be just fine.